Swartland has been manufacturing top-quality doors and windows since 1951. We offer 3 wooden window and door ranges to the market. Our flagship Cape Culture range, when only the best will do. The popular Winster's range, and also our value for money range, KO. All products carry a manufacturer's guarantee and are SANS 613 certified. We've recently introduced Kenzo, a comprehensive range of aluminium windows and doors, to the Swartland family. Available nationally from leading hardware retailers, this range is SANS 613 approved. For peace of mind, all Swartland products come with our renowned manufacturing excellence, national sales force and quality guarantee certificates. To ensure that our products work efficiently, it is important that you install them correctly. Follow the steps in this Kenzo Aluminium how-to video guide and you'll be able to install doors and windows like an expert. Before you begin, make sure you have the following: a spirit level, a saw, a hammer, screwdrivers, a rivet gun, a drill with different sized bits, a tape measure. This video demonstration contains information necessary for the proper installation of a folding sliding door. Carefully remove all packaging and examine the product for any nicks, breaks or defects. All the parts required to install our products are supplied. Please check that the pack contains folder-slider doors in its frame, 1 door handle set, a lock with 3 keys and a stacking latch. If there is a defect, do not continue. Please call your Swartland stockist to arrange for a replacement. Step 1. Ensure that the cavity is level and square. Check the size of the cavity into which the sliding door will go. Measure the height at the top, in the middle and at the bottom. The cavity should be at least 10 mm bigger than the actual frame size to ensure ease of installation. Then check the width across the top, the middle and again at the bottom. Check the diagonal from top left to bottom right, and then from top right to bottom left. Use a spirit level to check the levels along the bottom, up each side and across the top of the cavity. Step 2. Preparing the lugs for installation. Prepare to install it by rotating the lugs, which is the plates with which you will attach the folding slider to the wall. There are 3 plates on each side and 3 on top. Step 3. Inserting the folder slider into the cavity. Prepare packing pieces or spacers. You will need these later when you install the glass. Also make sure that there is DPC, a damp-proof course, underneath the door frame. Then carefully press the slider into place in the cavity, 90 mm in from the outside wall. Step 4. Attaching the folder slider to the wall. Drill through the lugs into the brickwork and insert the wall plugs and attach to the walls. Check for squareness throughout the installation process. Step 5. Preparing to install the glass. Place the packing pieces underneath the leaves of the door before you insert the glass, to ensure that the space underneath the door will remain level, even with the extra weight of the glass. Remove the aluminium beading strips from all sides. Step 6. Fitting the glass panels. Place the prepared spacers all around so that the glass is not in contact with the aluminium frame and will not break. Fit the beading strips back into the frame. Start at the top, then the bottom, and then the 2 sides. Step 7. Fitting the rubber gasket. Wipe the rubber gasket provided with soapy water, then tap or knock it gently into place with a wooden or plastic block all around the edges of the glass. Take care not to damage the glass. When you reach a corner, make a partial cut in the back of the gasket at the point where it touches the glass. This will make it easier to bend it around the corners. Do the same for each of the leaves of the folder-slider door. Step 8. Fitting the lock. Insert the locking cylinder into the pre-fitted latch. Tighten the cylinder with a screw from the front. Insert the handle and secure from both sides. Step 9. Fitting the stacking latch. To attach the stacking latch, mark, drill and fasten it to the frame. Confirm that the door slides and folds smoothly. Your installation is now complete. If you have any questions, please contact your local Swartland representative.